Hey, let's make Sojne Fuler Chorchori, which is a preparation of moringa flowers with seasonal vegetables. For this, first you need to clean and wash the moringa flowers, blanch the moringa flowers and then fry dried lentil dumplings in mustard oil. Now in the pan, add some cumin seeds, Nigella seeds and dried red chillies. After that, add in potatoes, fry them well, then add freshly pounded ginger and green chilies. After frying them well together, add in the seasonal vegetables. We have used brinjals and flat beans here. Now we need to add turmeric powder and cumin seed powder and then saute them well together. Moringa flowers are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium and some potassium, iron and amino acids as well. Now add the chopped tomatoes and then add some salt according to taste and then again saute them well together. Cover and cook it on a slow flame. Now add the blanched moringa flowers and mix them all together. Add a little bit of sugar and cover and cook until the veggies are fully cooked. Now finish it off with some mustard oil, slit green chilies and fried lentil dumplings, although that is optional. Now enjoy it with hot rice and dal. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video then please like, share and subscribe.